Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, Bitcoin is doing exactly what we hoped. It's broken this level of resistance. You've broken out of this falling wedge, which is actually a bullish reversal pattern. But you are running into this top of this channel where you created this wedge, this little wick here. Do you see that? Okay, so it's doing exactly what we anticipated at the moment. Now this fractal, if it does play out, we've got a bit of a cheat sheet here for you, and you will be looking at a minimal low down there around about. Let's drop this in horizontal line for you right now. You will be looking at around about $21,627, and it could come in by the end of the month to the start of July. Now, to deviate from this fractal would be amazing, okay, and invalidate this fractal. And one thing we would say, okay, we're deviating from it, we can no longer drop into a charts, is something like this when you start to break above this 55 EMA. If you start to do that, that's actually quite a bullish statement from Bitcoin, okay, and you're sort of not copying this fractal where we've come down like this. Let me show you. Because this is something we're eyeballing, isn't it? You know, and we've got this sort of double top, this drop, descending channel, capitulation, descending channel, rose back up, okay, to the resistance of where we created this channel, descending channel, just like we have now, and then we dropped basically for Bitcoin in this sort of A leg. Then we've got this B leg high, and then we've got the potential C leg that's kicking in right now, okay, and you've got this double top, drop, descending channel, capitulation, descending channel, broke out, everyone got really bullish, you ran into the resistance where you created the channel, and right now are we copying it basically? So we'll keep an eye on this over the next couple of weeks, because we might have a bit of a cheat sheet here, you know, that the end of this sort of C leg here is here on this point, okay, which would be amazing. Equally, you know, there is another little indicator here that I've not gone through this with you that looks like it's about to create a cycle bottom indicator. Let me show you this. So this is called the Bitcoin super cycle indicator. Let's drop it into the charts. Now to get this, you just type Bitcoin super cycle, and it's by Skimitas. Just there, and that's the indicator. Drop in, it's a free indicator, and you can see we've got a cycle top last year. So since then we've been in this irregular ABC correction for Bitcoin, and it looks as though you see this light blue line, this is a moving average, and this dark blue line, this is a moving average. When they cross, okay, when the light blue line crosses below the dark blue line, that is what prints the cycle bottom indicator. And historically, the last two times it's done that, it's been an amazing entry point and the bottom for Bitcoin. So is it a case of it's sort of gearing up for this drop? Okay, and obviously if it is, it's copying this fractal, isn't it? And we've got a cheat sheet. So I'm looking for this. I'm going to keep an eye on this. If I move to the left, I can show you. If we look at this correction just there, you can see this previous bear market. Look at that. You lost support, capitulation down. The light blue cross the dark blue, bottom. Start to come back up. Just there, move to the left again. You know, this previous bear market just there, big bear market. Look at that price capitulation, and boom, down there, light blue cross the dark blue, cycle bottom, up you go basically. Now there's no guarantees, you know, it could be a bit of a fake out and we start to come up and deviate from this, and we don't come down here and print this fractal and we start to get back above these EMAs. Like I said to you, will be amazingly bullish for Bitcoin, and if it does do that, then we're getting a bit of a fake out and a bear trap down here, okay, and everyone expecting this sort of indicator to come in just there, you know, because you've had a cycle top indicator, everyone thinks the cycle top's over, and you did create a very similar cycle top, double cycle top in the 2013 cycle to 2014 cycle, 2013 into 2013 double top there. So you got the cycle top just like we've got now. You're coming down, everyone expecting the sort of cycle bottom indicator to kick in, never got it, okay. So you can see we've got this sort of double top just there. So we could be looking at some kind of cycle like that where we've hit one, we're coming back, and then we break out again, okay, possibly. But if the cycle bottom indicator does come in, it historically has been an amazing event, okay, so we'll keep an eye on this going forward. So that's basically Bitcoin, you know. What I'm looking at right now is to deviate from this fractal. So, you know, I don't necessarily think it is at the moment, so this is why I've closed my long. I've took profit on my long, like I said to you, about 11% trade, fantastic. Target met, almost, okay, but you can see you run into resistance and you're starting to copy this fractal at the moment. You're slowing down on the EMAs, just like you did here, slowed down on the EMAs. If you start to roll, then you've got a massive short on your hands here for Bitcoin, and a potential bottom kicking in by the end of the month here, end of next month, sorry, to the start of July. You could be looking at a 30% drop here for Bitcoin, and I would imagine with that, you know, your altcoins are going to get smashed up as well. So that's basically Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, bye bye.